Cash App mystery. Did they accept my money? Here's how to find out. Host, ever sent money on Cash App and been left hanging, wondering if your friend actually accepted it? You're not alone. Cash App can be super convenient for splitting bills, paying back loans, or even sending a quick birthday gift. But sometimes, that little green pending notification can feel like an eternity. So, how do you know if someone accepted your Cash App payment? Fear not, fellow Cash Appers. Today's video will clear up the confusion and show you exactly how to track the status of your sent funds. Finding the answers in your activity feed. Let's dive into the Cash App itself. Open the app and tap the clock icon on the bottom navigation bar. This brings you to your activity feed, which is basically your personal transaction history. Here, you'll see a list of all your sent and received payments. Cut to screen recording of Cash App activity feed. Now, look for the specific payment you sent. It should be displayed with the recipient's cash tag, their unique username on Cash App, and the amount you sent. But the key part is the status indicator next to the transaction. Understanding the Cash App payment statuses. There are three main statuses you'll encounter. Completed, this is the golden ticket. If you see completed next to your payment, it means your friend has happily accepted the cash and it's now added to their Cash App balance. Breathe a sigh of relief, the transaction is complete. Pending, the dreaded pending. This means your friend hasn't yet accepted the money. It could be they haven't opened the Cash App notification, are busy, or maybe even forgot. Don't worry, the funds aren't lost, they're just patiently waiting in Cash App limbo. Expired, this one stings a little. If you see expired next to your payment, it means your friend took too long to accept, and the transfer automatically canceled after a certain period. The good news is, the funds will be returned to your Cash App balance. Giving your friend a gentle nudge, without being annoying. So, what if your payment is stuck in pending territory? Here are friendly ways to remind your friend. A casual text, a simple message like, "Hey, just checking if you saw my Cash App payment," can do the trick. Most people won't mind a gentle reminder, especially if it helps them avoid missing out on free money. Use the Cash App request feature. Cash App actually has a built-in request feature that allows you to politely ask for payment. You can send a request with a custom message explaining what the money is for, rent, dinner, etc. This can be a helpful nudge without being too pushy. Bonus tip, double-check your information. Before you panic about a missing payment, take a moment to double-check you entered the correct cash tag for your recipient. A typo can send your money on a wild goose chase. Remember, Cash App doesn't send extensive notifications. Unlike some other payment apps, Cash App doesn't bombard users with notifications. So, it's entirely possible your friend simply hasn't seen the notification yet. Be patient, and if a gentle nudge doesn't work, you can always wait a day or two before following up again. The wrap-up, Cash App clarity for everyone. With that knowledge in your back pocket, you can confidently send and receive Cash App payments without the mystery of pending hanging over your head. Remember, the activity feed is your best friend, clearly showing you the status of your transactions. Cash App payments are a breeze once you know the ropes, and hopefully, this video has shed some light on that whole pending situation. Host, so, next time you send a Cash App payment, you can relax knowing exactly how to track its status. Now you can go forth and conquer those money transfers with confidence. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Cash Apping.